This 2021 Winnebago View 24D is a Class C RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Harmony Decor, Columbian Walnut Cabinetry interior, Sleep 6, air conditioning, TV antenna, Skylight, refrigerator, water heater, awning, stove-top burner, external shower, slide-out, leveling jacks, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, full wall slide, Murphy bed, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2021 Winnebago View 24D is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.